Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi, my name's Ben and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A1 Sportback Technik 25 TFSI finished in the shell white paint. Coming to the front of the vehicle we have this car's LED headlights, which are great for when those darker nights start to creep in again. And coming round to the side we have this car's 15-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels. Being a brand new Audi, this car does come with a 3-year warranty as standard. And moving around to the side we can see that this is a 5-door vehicle which offers that extra convenience should you need to carry more passengers. Coming around to the back we see the continuation of those LED rear headlights. And upon opening the boot you are greeted with this car's 335 litres of boot space. So that's plenty of room for those weekends away as well as the weekly food shop. The 60/40 folding rear seats can open that space up should you need to. There are also some bag hooks located on either side to stop things rolling about when doing the weekly food shop, as well as a net to keep those larger items nice and tied down. So let's take a look at the rest of this car's interior. Opening the driver's side door you are greeted with this car's stylish interior. The seats in this car are really comfortable and are finished in the cloth material. From the driver's perspective we can see this car's a leather multifunction steering wheel with controls for the multimedia systems. The cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives. And this car is also fitted as standard with the fantastic Audi virtual cockpit display. This lets the driver customise what is shown on screen using the buttons located on the steering wheel. Moving over to this car's intuitive MMI touchscreen display, we can select from options like the DAB radio, with a good choice of radio stations, mobile phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you'd like any more information on connecting your mobile phone, there is a video down in the link's description, as well as this car's settings. Lower still we have the controls for this car's climate control along with the air conditioning. The easy to use dials make it easy to change the temperature as well as the fan intensity. Coming even lower down still we do have a 12-volt power socket as well as 2 USB-C ports. This is perfect for connecting your mobile phone as well as charging them, and using it to connect to the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay system. The audio control dial in this car allows you to change volume and track without needing to take your eyes off the road. Thank you for coming on a tour of this brand new Audi A1 Sportback. If you would like any more information on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.